some of that. We've got the eye that's almost out. Get this board out. Go. So we have another nice board here, lots of gold material. Gold in this little connector here. Gold pins, IC chips, lots of monolithic capacitors. I see some tantalum capacitors. This is a little SD card port. There's gold there, there's gold on the back. It's a nice little board. Another hunk of aluminum. There's more in here for sure. Another piece of aluminum. Let's open the eye. Use this plastic. Three more screws. Almost. So let's get that out. Cut the wire in half so you can pass it through. There you go. So another hunk of aluminum. Gold tip connectors, which I'm going to cut and then throw the wire with the wire. My wire pile. Wow. Okay. I expected these screws for some reason. Oh, okay. Can't get these screws out for some reason. I'm slowly stripping them, so let's get this guy over here. Get rid of those screws. This is the best, like, $10 I ever spent on Amazon. Because I tend to strip screws out of laziness. There you go.